Welcome everyone to our Lean ISO Management System channel. This video shows how to estimate employee productivity in public and private companies. In the previous clip, we talked about the cost of training. You may remember that one of the variables in the cost formula was employee productivity. Since that video, a couple of folks have asked me where to get employee productivity for that calculation. While we search for an answer, click the subscribe button below so we can inform you of our new videos. And keep on watching, because in the end I will show you how to get a free copy of my book, ISO Management Systems, The Lean Revolution. Just a quick recap on the cost of training. When we calculated this cost, we multiplied the number of employees by the number of training hours per employee per year by employee productivity. The training hours per employee and the number of employees in the company are easy to get. The productivity takes some exploration. While there are several productivity measures in economics, we will talk about basic labor productivity. If your company is public, you can get your average employee productivity from the company's annual reports. Dividing the annual revenue by the number of employees divided by the number of hours worked give us productivity. For example, suppose you worked on an antique restoration for a year and sold it for $100,000. In this case, your hourly productivity is $100,000 divided by the number of employees, just you, divided by the number of working hours in a year, which is approximately 1,920 hours. This simple calculation gives us productivity of $52 per hour. As you can see, public companies do not hide their employee productivity. But if your company is private and the revenue is not available, you will need to do some Googling and simple calculations. Pick 2 or 3 public companies in your line of business and work with the numbers from their annual reports. Those numbers most likely will not be accurate for your company, but they will give you a ballpark to work with. Let's take a look at an example, assuming that we are in logistics business. We can Google annual reports for many business leaders, UPS, FedEx, DHL, you name them. Let's pick on DHL. I like their logo and use them several times for shipping stuff. 2020 annual report shows that their revenue was $79.5 billion with some 572,000 employees. Similar to the previous calculation, we can determine the company's average employee productivity. $79.5 billion revenue divided by 571,500 employees divided by 1,920 hours equals some $72 per employee per hour. So these are 2 routes you may use to determine average employee productivity for public and private companies. If you wish to get a copy of my ISO Management System, The Lean Revolution book, mail me or comment below on your employee productivity calculation example. I will be happy to send you a copy of the ebook. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.